It's time for some construction updates from Disneyland Paris in collaboration with DLP Works. So let's get started. World Premiere Plaza Update. Change is underway at the Studio Theater area, and it's starting to look more like the concept art we saw earlier. The most noticeable update: the large number 2 has been officially removed from the building's facade. This subtle but symbolic change marks a new chapter in the evolution of the area. Construction walls have now gone up around the zone, signaling the start of a more hands-on transformation. Crews are currently focused on rearranging the pavement and refining the surrounding spaces to better fit the refreshed layout. Meanwhile, the Studio Theater facade itself is getting a makeover. The modified sections will soon be coated and smoothed out, prepping the surface for a fresh layer of paint. Once completed, the new finish will help unify the look of the entire building and bring a polished, cohesive feel to the updated plaza. Crews are hard at work both inside and outside to get everything ready. The iconic partner statue of Walt and Mickey has been unveiled, now proudly welcoming guests. Inside, final touch-ups are underway, including detailing on the chandeliers beneath the new marquee. Landscaping wrapping up near world premiere. Final touches are being added between Animagique Theater and world premiere, likely in preparation for the big opening on May 15th. Crews are wrapping up landscaping and cleaning, and the area is looking nearly complete at Disneyland Paris. A beautifully planted parterre now brings life to what was once an empty space. However, construction walls remain on the other side, where work continues on the future retail shop, Hollywood Boulevard Reimagined. The new Hollywood Boulevard completed its stunning transformation. A beautifully landscaped garden near the Animation Celebration restrooms brings a peaceful, Tivoli Gardens-like charm to the area. The new background music is soft and serene, perfect for the refreshed vibe. And yes, the iconic fake palm trees are now officially gone. Though the paving stones are a bit on the gray side, they're a huge step up from the old asphalt. Plus, the distant view of Arundel's clock tower now adds a magical new perspective to this revitalized promenade. Theater of the Stars area reopened. The area in front of Theater of the Stars has quietly reopened with fresh paving and brand new planters, though they're not filled just yet. For the soft opening of the new Alice show, the backstage access gate was left open to help manage guest flow. Look closely and you'll spot some subtle Tower of Terror-themed design details around the new gate. Starting May 31st, 2025, guests can head to the rooftop of Starport in Discoveryland to discover Lounge Lightspeed, a stylish outdoor terrace with stunning views of the X-Wing starfighter and the surrounding area. This new Star Wars-themed experience, hosted by Coca-Cola, will feature meet and greets with BDX droids and other characters, plus refreshing drinks and galactic snacks. Tied to the story of Star Tours, the lounge offers a relaxed atmosphere with metallic design, neon lights, and familiar droid cameos. Open daily from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. until September 17th, Lounge Lightspeed is the perfect summer stop for fans traveling to a galaxy far, far away. That's it for this update. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again very soon with more exciting news and views from Disneyland Paris. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay magical.